Hi, racing fans. A lot of you have been asking how we came out of the fire, and we're okay. This is the Eaton Canyon fire. These videos were taken from Santa Anita, but everything's okay. Well, I'm standing over by John Sadler's barn, looking up at Sierra Madre where I live, or used to, and it doesn't look good. Well, looking across the racetrack at the mountains, you can see all the smoke as far as you can see, and the flames.
Smoke and more smoke.
And a lot of you have been asking how the horses are in Kentucky with the bad weather they've been having there, the below zero temperatures and the snow and the ice, but the horses are doing well and everything's okay there as well. So here's a little comparison of Blackburn Farm in the spring versus the winter. But the smoke and the fire and the ice and the snow and the wind are all behind us, and look what we've got now.